Audible or not?
Audible.
Which startup company has recently launched India's first commercial system on chip named Secure Internet of Things? Orion Space, Sankhya Labs, Mindgrove, Startup TN.
Mind Group.
Mind Group.
Mindgrove. In May 2024, Indian Army and Punit Balan Group jointly developed India's first constitution park in which place?
Pune.
Pune.
Pune, Maharashtra. Which of the following exercises was recently conducted by Indian Army and Indian Air Force across multiple locations in Punjab? Surya Kiran, Gagan Strike 2, Bharat
Sarang
Shakti, Milan
Sarang Shakti.
Gagan Strike 2. Gagan Strike 2.
Sarang Strike 2.
According to data recently released by GTRI, that is Global Trade Research Initiative, which country was largest trading partner of India in financial year
China.
24? China.
China.
Which ministry has recently organized ONDC Startup Mahotsav in New Delhi? Ministry of Communications, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship.
Electronic
Communication.
IT.
Commerce and industry.
Ministry of Commerce and Industry recently organized ONDC Startup Mahotsav in New Delhi. Which state recently launched Disaster Reporting and Information Management System DREAMS for reporting damages during
Assam.
disasters? Assam recently launched Disaster Reporting and Information Management System. Which ministry officially dissolved Food and Nutrition Board? Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Consumer Affairs.
Consumer
Health and
Affairs.
family.
Ministry of Women and Child Development recently dissolved Food and Nutrition Board. India was ranked dash in 2024 World Press Freedom Index. 93,
159.
113,
150,
159, 14,
One
159.
159. Topped by which country?
Norway.
Norway.
Norway. According to 2024 World's Wealthiest Cities report by Henley and Partners, which is the wealthiest city in the world?
New York.
New York City, बिल्कुल. Which is India's wealthiest city?
Mumbai 24.
Mumbai.
बढ़िया, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र 24. Recently, which organization published first global guidelines to prevent bloodstream infections and other infections associated with intravascular catheters? UNICEF, WHO, UNEP,
WHO.
UNDP,
WHO.
WHO.
WHO. Which country officially became 99th member of International Solar Alliance? Panama,
Spain.
Spain.
Spain, Egypt, Ethiopia.
Pan,
Spain, Spain.
Wait,
Pano.
Spain, Spain. Panama was 98th. 99th,
97. No, no, 97. Panama.
97th.
98 ହଉଛି ସେରିଲିଓନ।
ଏଠି ତ 98th ଦେଇଛି, ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚରେ ପାନାମା ହେଇଥିଲା ବୋଲି।
98 ଥିଲା ସେରିଲିଓନ यो अफ्रीकन कंट्री टा
98 टा पनामा 97 टा सियरा लियोन
97 ସେଟା ରାଟିଫାଏଡ୍ ର ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା କଣ ରାଟିଫାଏଡ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି
राटिफाइड लिस्ट जोटा सेटा नेपाल राटिफाइड करथिला सेटा 97 नो
Panama 98, Spain hela 99th. Hela next. Which organization has recently approved a new treaty on intellectual property, genetic resources, and associated traditional knowledge? Which organization has recently approved a new treaty on intellectual property, genetic resources, and associated traditional knowledge? World Intellectual Property Organization, World Trade Organization, UNCTAD, UNESCO.
Intellectual
वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल
world
प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO) has approved a new treaty on intellectual property, genetic resources, and associated traditional knowledge. अंजन केबे अछि काली ना परदिन
Sunday
संडे अछि कोठी अछि
Joshimpur SBM
who has been recently appointed as CEO of Paytm Money? राकेश सिंह, नवीन ताहलियानी, आशीष विजयकर, मातम वेंकट राव.
राकेश सिंह
Rakesh Singh, who has been elected as new president of Panama? Jose Mulino, Javier Milei, Alexander Stubb, Loretino Cohen.
Josh Mullen
କରେକ୍ଟ ନ କହେ
ओनली नो
Jose Mulino, who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of Naval Staff? Dinesh Tripathi, Krishna Swaminathan,
ଦିନେଶ ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ
Rajesh Mehrotra,
कृष्णा
Krishna
स्वामीनाथन
Amit Dayal Singh.
Krishna Swaminathan
Swaminathan.
Krishna Swaminathan, appointed as Vice Chief of Naval Staff. Who took over as the CMD of National Small Industries Corporation Limited? राजेंद्र प्रसाद गोयल, शुभ्रांशु शेखर आचार्य, रविंद्र कुमार त्यागी, एस रमा.
त्यागी रविंद्र कुमार त्यागी
CMD of
Subhranshu
National Small Industries Corporation Limited (NSIC), Dr. Subhranshu Shekhar Acharya, who has been appointed as the chairperson of Special Olympics Asia Pacific Advisory Council. Mary Kom, Saini Wilson, Mallika Nadda, PT Usha.
Saini Wilson
Appointed as chairperson of Special Olympics Asia Pacific Advisory Council.
पीटी उसका
Mallika Nadda.
पीटी
Mallika Nadda, Special Olympics Asia Pacific Advisory Council ର chairperson. Who has been appointed as the part-time chairman of HDFC Bank? अतनु चक्रवर्ती, एस
Atun
रविंद्रन,
Chakraborty
अनिल कुमार लाहोटी.
अतुल चक्रवर्ती
Atanu Chakraborty
अतनु चक्रवर्ती. Who has been appointed as MD CEO of Jio Financial Services Limited? Praveen Kutti, Hitesh Kumar Sethia, Sanjeev Agarwal, Dipesh Nanda. MD CEO of Jio Financial Services Limited, Hitesh Kumar Sethia. Who has been appointed as Director General of National Institute of Solar Energy? Nawab Salam, Mohammad Rihan, Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, Ranjit Kumar Agarwal. Director
Nawab
Director General of National Institute of Solar Energy. Nawab Salam, Mohammad Rihan, Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, Ranjit Kumar Agarwal.
मोहम्मद रियान.
Mohammad Rihan. Mohammad Rihan. Which IIT partnered with DRDO to inaugurate DRDO Industry Academia Center of Excellence on its campus? काली डिस्कस इथला
कानपुर.
IIT
कानपुर.
IIT कानपुर. Who has been appointed as chairperson of National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers? NAB. Chairperson of National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers. Jagdeep Pavadia, Joyashree Das Burma, Shashi Kumar Singh, Rizwan Koita.
Rizwan Koita.
Rizwan Koita. Who has been reappointed as the Prime Minister of Russia? Gabriel Attal, Mikhail
Putin.
Mishustin, Ilham Aliyev, Alexander
Sir
Putin.
Mushtin.
ମିଶୁଷ୍ଟେନ୍
कौन ता नाटा ठीक से कह किए कहबो
Mikhail Mushtin से गुटे बा.
कोनटा कोनटा
जो मुश्तिन
मिखाइल
जे तांग प्राइम मिनिस्टर
मिशुस्टिन
ऑप्शन देले पाइ जो.
MIS तो लागे छी मिस कर दवा हला मिखाइल मिशुस्टिन. Who has been elected as 7th दरकार नहीं था. UNICEF has recently named Kareena Kapoor Khan as its Dash Ambassador, Youth Advocate
Brand
Ambassador, Goodwill Ambassador, Celebrity Advocate Ambassador, National Celebrity Ambassador.
ଗୋଡୋଲି
Goodwill. Goodwill.
गुरुला.
National Celebrity Ambassador. UNICEF declare कला. Who has been re-elected as chairman of IFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited? Balbir Singh, Dilip Sanghani, Jay Saha,
दिलीप
Amit
संघानी.
Kumar Lahu.
दिलीप संघानी.
दिलीप संघानी.
Dilip Sanghani.
ଦିଲ୍ଲୀପ ସାଙ୍ଗାନି
Dilip Sanghani. Who has been appointed as the Vice Admiral Sanjay Bhalla assumed charge as Chief of Personnel of which defense force? Vice Admiral. Admiral ରୁ ଜଣା ପଡି ଯାଉଛି. Indian Coast Guard, Indian Air Force, Indian Army, Indian Navy.
एयरफोर्स.
ନାଭି
एयरफोर्स.
Indian Navy. Vice Admiral Sanjay Bhalla assumed charge as Chief of Personnel of Indian Navy. Who has been named as Singapore's new Prime Minister? Alexander Stubb, Lawrence Wong, Success Masra,
लॉरेंस
Lawrence
ଲରେନ୍ସ
Wong.
ଓଙ୍ଗ
Lawrence Wong, बिल्कुल. Who has been appointed as Executive Director of RBI? T. Ravi Shankar, Rakesh Mohan, Munish Kapoor, R. Lakshmikant Rao.
ଆର୍ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀକାନ୍ତ ରାଓ
R. Lakshmikant Rao. Who has been elected as the President of Supreme Court Bar Association? Arvind Panagaria, Kapil Sibal, Indramani
Kapil
Pandey.
Sibal.
Kapil Sibal.
Kapil Sibal, President of Supreme Court Bar Association. Who has been appointed as Prime Minister of Republic of Croatia? Andrej Plenković, Robert Fico, Osmane Sonko, Luis Montenegro.
Andrej. Sir Andrej.
Fico.
Andrej Plenković. Andrej Plenković, appointed as Prime Minister of Croatia. What is the capital of Croatia? Zagreb.
ना.
Zagreb.
Zagreb. Who has been elected as President of Chad? Gabriel Attal, Felix Tshisekedi,
Mohammed.
Victor Pellegrini,
ଇଡ୍ରିସ୍
Idris Deby Itno,
ଇଡ୍ରିସ୍ ଦେବୀ
Mohammad Idris Deby Itno.
आगे आगे.
महात्मा को मन रखिले ठीक मन रहइबो एटा. मोहम्मद इद्रिस देबी इतनो. एठी एक्चुअली ना कोटा. मोहम्मद ना इद्रिस ना देबी ना इतनो तो टाइटल हितबो नै.
इड्रिस.
इद्रिस नहीं इद्रिस. ମହାମତ ଜାଗାରେ ଜଣେ ମହାତ୍ମା କହିଦେଲେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଯିବ? ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଚାଡ୍ ମହାମତ ଇଡ୍ରିସ୍ ଦେବୀ ଇତ୍ନୁ। Who has been appointed as president of CII? बहुत important. Confederation of Indian Industry. Sanjeev
Sanjeev
Puri,
Puri.
R Dinesh, R Mukundam, Rajiv Memani. Sanjeev Puri, बिल्कुल. Sanjeev Puri took charge as president of CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. Who has been sworn in as the 16th president of Taiwan? William Lai Ching, Thomas
Lai
Sullivan,
Lai
Ching-te.
Ching-te. William Lai.
William Lai Ching. William Lai Ching. Who has been re-elected as president of Dominican Republic for second term?
लुइस कौन होता सर लुइस
अरे या नाटा बहुत खतरनाक आ ना होची कोरोना
लुइस
प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ डोमिनिकान रिपब्लिक होचंती लुइस कोरोना पूरा ना मन रखे दरकार नहीं लुइस कोरोना मन रख लुइस रुडोल्फो अबिनाडर कोरोना कोरोना को मन रखले इजिली मन रहइबो द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ डोमिनिकान रिपब्लिक हेले लुइस कोरोना हु हैज बीन इलेक्टेड एज प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ वियतनाम श्रेथा थाबिसिन टो लाम
टॉम लामथम
Tolam.
टोलाम ना टूलाम कौन नाटा कौन टू प्रिपोजिशन गोटे केमती ना रखुचंती तो टोलाम has been elected as the president of Vietnam. What is the capital of Vietnam?
हनोई
Hanoi.
Hanoi, बिल्कुल. Recently, Klaus Schwab, the executive chairman and founder of which organization, has stepped down?
WEF. World Economic Forum.
World Economic Forum. Klaus Schwab, founder and executive chairman of World Economic Forum, has announced that he will be stepping down by January 2025. Who has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Chad? Muhammad Idris
Success
Deby,
Masra.
Alamai Halina, Success
Helena, sir.
Masra,
Alamai Helena.
बहुत बढ़िया Alamai Halina after replacing Success Masra. सक्सेस को से रिप्लेस कर दोची आ कोन कहबो सक्सेस को तो रिप्लेस ही करिया कथा न Which sports or personality was recently named as tournament ambassador for ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024? Sana Mir, Shahid Afridi, Mitali Raj, David Warner.
Sana Mir.
Sanami.
Sana Mir.
Tournament ambassador. Shahid Afridi. Shahid Afridi. Who has been appointed as the commandant of National Defence Academy? Kamal Kishore, Gurcharan Singh, Kishore Makwana, Vivek Kumar Gupta. Gurcharan Singh has been appointed as commandant of National Defence Academy. Appointments Committee of Cabinet approved 1 month extension in service of Chief of Army Staff
Manoj Ponda.
Manoj Pandey.
Manoj Pandey.
Pandey. एबे की हेबो
Upendra Dwivedi.
Upendra Dwivedi. उपेंद्र द्विवेदी जो हो जाए से 30 के 29 के से विकिपीडिया रा 29 लिखुतला बट बहुत जगह रे 30 लिखुछन
Wikipedia भूल लिखे न्यूज़ चैनल जरा लिखे इन मीडिया
चेयरमैन ऑफ डीआरडीओ कहार एक्सटेंड हला
समीर भी
समीर भी कामत Who has been elected as Director General of World Organization for Animal Health WOAH? Felicitio, Ingmar de Vos, Emmanuel Soberian,
Emmanuel Soberian.
बिल्कुल Emmanuel Soberian, elected as Director General of World Organization for Animal Health. Who has been appointed as Secretary to Lokpal of India? Pradeep Kumar Tripathi, Amit Yadav, Rajkumar Goyal, Rakesh Ranjan.
Rakesh Ranjan.
Pradeep Kumar Tripathi. Rakesh Ranjan has been appointed as chairman of SSC,
SSC.
SS.
Staff Selection Commission. Rajkumar Goyal has been appointed as Secretary in the Department of Justice. Rajendra Kumar, Secretary in the Department of Border Management. Amit Yadav, Officer on Special Duty in Department of Social Justice and Empowerment. And Secretary to Lokpal of India is Pradeep Kumar Tripathi. Name the personality who has been appointed as Brand Ambassador of Muthoot Blue or Muthoot Papachan Group.
शाहरुख
Sir,
खान।
Shahrukh Khan. Shahrukh Khan.
Shahrukh Khan. Which personality from Asia won the 35th Goldman Environmental Prize? Teresa Vicente, Alok Shukla, Marcin Gomes,
Alok
Sundar Pai.
Shukla.
Alok Shukla.
आलोक शुक्ला।
Alok Shukla. Who has recently won the 9th edition of Bookstore Book Cover Prize 2024 by Oxford for the book
भाभी।
Beautiful? Angela Rodel, Bhabhi Mehta, Salman Rushdie, Pankaj Kumar
Bhabhi
Chatterjee.
Mehta.
Bhabhi Mehta.
Bhabhi Mehta.
Bhabhi Mehta. Bhabhi Mehta.
Bhabhi Mehta. Name the personality who was recently awarded with Whitley Gold Award 2024.
Annapurna Devi.
Misra, Purnima
Purnima
Devi
Devi
Burman, Shashi Tharoor, Kiran Nadar.
Purnima Devi
Purnima
Burman.
Devi Burman.
Purnima Devi Burman. Which fellowship was recently received by English author Ruskin Bond? Young India Fellowship, Tenzing Norgay National Award,
Sahitya.
Sahitya Academy Fellowship, Kubhempu Rashtriya
Sahitya
Puraskar.
Academy.
Sahitya
Sahitya
Academy.
Academy Fellowship.
Sahitya Academy Fellowship. Which country had the highest number of entries in 9th edition of Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia List 2024? Which country had highest
इंडिया।
number of entries? China, Singapore, India, Australia.
India.
इंडिया।
India. India had highest number of entries in the 9th edition of Forbes 30. According to Forbes World's Highest Paid Athletes 2024 list, who is highest paid athlete in the world?
Virat Kohli. Sorry,
मेसी।
Ronaldo. Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Which tunnel was recognized as India's highest tunnel by International
Tunnel.
Book of Honor?
Sela
Arunachal
Tunnel.
सेल्ला टनल।
Sela Tunnel. Constructed in which state?
Arunachal
Arunachal
Pradesh.
Pradesh.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश।
Arunachal Pradesh. Which book written by Jenny Erpenbeck and translated by Michael Hoffman
Kairos.
won International Booker Prize 2024?
Kairos.
Kairos. Book was Kairos. International Booker Prize 2024. Who has been honored 2024 Shaw Prize in category of astronomy? Stuart Orkin, Srinivas
Kulkarni.
Ramchandra Kulkarni, Sui Le Thei,
Srinivas
Kulkarni.
Kulkarni.
Srinivas Ramchandra Kulkarni in category of astronomy. Which airport recently became first airport in India to achieve zero waste to landfill?
कोच्चि।
Koda, Thiruvananthapuram, Begumpet, Delhi.
Thiruvananthapuram.
तिरुवनंतपुरम।
Thiruvananthapuram.
Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. Which airport recently won Silver Award under over 35 million passengers per annum category in Airports Council International GAR Green Airports Recognition 2024? Over 35 million passengers per annum category रे के पाइला
इंडिगो।
दिल्ली इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट 3टा अवार्ड पाइला टोटल इंडिया रो सिल्वर कैटेगरी रे इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट अंडर ओवर 35 मिलियन पैसेंजर्स पर एनम केम्पेगौड़ा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट बेंगलुरु बिटवीन 15 and 35 मिलियन पैसेंजर्स पर एनम चौधरी चरण सिंह इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट लखनऊ लेस देन 8 मिलियन पैसेंजर्स पर एनम कैटेगरी रे 3टा एयरपोर्ट who has become first Indian to win Grand Prix award at 77th Cannes International Film Festival? Grand Prix award.
Payal Kapadi.
पायल कपाड़िया, जोया अख्तर, मानसी माहेश्वरी.
पायल कपड़िया।
Payal
Payal
Kapadi.
Payal Kapadia.
पायल कपाड़िया बिल्कुल. For the Indian film All We Imagine as Light. World Hydrogen 2024 Summit and Exhibition was held at which place? Rotterdam, Netherlands.
Netherlands. Netherlands.
Rotterdam, Netherlands. बिल्कुल. According to Global Electricity Review 2024 report, India surpassed which country to become world's third largest producer of solar power?
जापान.
Japan, bilkul. So India is now third largest producer of solar power according to Global Electricity Review 2024. Which is the top one in global solar power production?
China.
China.
चाइना है.
Which organization has recently released third edition of World Wildlife Crime Report? UNDESA, IUCN, UNODC, WOAH.
आगे से
I
यूएन
with the
जैसा.
district.
UNODC, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, released World Wildlife Crime Report 2024. Which organization released a report titled Water for Shared Prosperity? Along with Indonesia, at 10th World Water Forum in Bali, Indonesia. तो दीटा जिनस जानिया जरूरी 10th वर्ल्ड वाटर फोरम कोठी हितला बाली इंडोनेशिया रे तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडोनेशिया सहित को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मिसिकी गोटे रिपोर्ट रिलीज कला वाटर फॉर शेयर्ड प्रॉस्पेरिटी यूएन वाटर वर्ल्ड बैंक यूएन देशा डब्ल्यूएमओ वर्ल्ड बैंक along with government of Indonesia released the report Water for Shared Prosperity. According to Bloomberg Billionaires Index, who has topped the list as the richest person? Gautam Adani,
Bernard
Solan.
Arnault.
Larry Page, Bernard
बर्नार्ड
Arnault,
आर्नोल्ड.
Elon Musk.
बर्नार्ड आर्नोल्ड.
Arnold. बिल्कुल. According to World Economic Forum's Travel and Tourism Development Index, India is ranked at which place and which country topped the ranking?
39 USA.
बहुत बढ़िया 39th. India was ranked 39th in Travel and Tourism Development Index and USA topped the ranking. According to recently released Oxford Economics Global Cities Index, which city ranked top among Indian cities? While New York topped globally.
न्यू दिल्ली.
दिल्ली.
New Delhi, बिल्कुल. Delhi
350.
released. Delhi ranked top among Indian cities and New York globally, according to Oxford Economics Global Cities Index 2024. Which organization recently published the report State and Trends of Carbon Pricing 2024? World Bank, Asian Development Bank, UNFCCC, Niti Aayog.
वर्ल्ड बैंक.
World Bank, बिल्कुल. World Bank published the report titled State and Trends of Carbon Pricing 2024. Name the artist who has topped the Huron India Art List 2024. Arpita Singh, Anish Kapoor, Shashi Tharoor, Bhabhi Mehta. Huron India Art List.
अनीस.
अनिस कपूर.
Anish Kapoor, British Indian sculptor. Anish Kapoor topped the list for the sixth consecutive year. Name the highest ranked Indian institution that is 32nd rank in Times Higher Education's Asia University Rankings 2024.
I guess keys पहिला ना.
नहीं
आईआईएससी
Asia
बेंगलुरु.
University Rankings 2024.
IMM Ahmedabad.
IISC Bengaluru ranked 32. According to Times Higher Education's Asia University Rankings 2024. Globally, Asia रे टॉप रे थिला सिंगवा यूनिवर्सिटी चाइना.